Today's topic is puerperal psychosis or postpartum depression to psychosis. This is quite common, we see in postpartum period, especially in 25% cases we can see puerperal psychosis or depression. Depression is more common, but psychosis, which is quite frank, is about in 1% cases. So therefore, we should have the awareness and we can give support and treat it properly. The etiology is usually coexisting some psychiatric problem or a premenstrual syndrome, or she had, or during these pregnancies some coexisting factor were present, like miscarriage, stillbirth, or congenital abnormality to the baby, or baby is in ICU for a long time, and if the patient is more than 30 years and she had some premenstrual tension. So these are few etiological factors which we have to look for, or risk factor you can say. Therefore, if you are aware, you can treat the patient properly. The management, of course, you have to give the support to the patient by the family, as well as if the symptoms are severe antenatally, she may try antidepressant drugs, which can be continued during breastfeeding. If the baby has got problem like drowsy, may require some attention by the pediatrician and psychiatrist. These patients usually monitored and managed very well at home by the family member, but sometimes if it is a frank psychotic problem, may require urgent admission in the hospital, and proper antipsychotic drug is required, because these patients, if we don't recognize it on time, they may lead to suicidal tendency or infanticide problem as well. So prompt diagnosis and treatment will reduce the sequelae of frank psychosis. Thank you.